Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial session on the topic performance measure of classification in machine learning algorithm. In this session we are going to discuss about confusion matrix, accuracy and precision. So before doing your validation process, we need to do the training process. So we need to train the model using our learning algorithm using a set of training datas. So in validation only we will be performing the model performance matrices, right? So to validate your validation set by means of our hyperparameter tuning and to decide when to stop the training model. So in order to overcome the overfitting issue, when to stop the training process, and all those things are evaluated the model once you use the test set to report final performance. In part 1, we are going to discuss about confusion matrix, accuracy and precision, and in part 2, we are going to look into recall, Leffin score and area under the ROC curve. And confusion matrix, a table to summarize how the successful the classification model is at predicting examples belonging to various classes. Example, for example, we can check spam and ham mail conversation. So actual the mail is spam. If it predicted as your model prediction is in spam, you can say call it as true positive. The actual mail is spam and your model prediction is ham means you can say it is a false negative FN. So actually the mail is ham. For that ham, if your model predicted it as spam means you can call it as false positive. So actually the mail is ham and the model prediction is also ham, you can call it as true negative. So we can see the example by considering a cricket tournament between India and Australia. For example, you have predicted that India would win and it won. So you can call it as true positive. Next case, you had predicted that Australia would not win and it lost. So you can call it as true negative. And you had predicted third case, you had predicted that Australia would win but it lost. That is called false positive. And the last case, for false negative case, you had predicted that India would not win but it won. It is false negative. We can see a binary example. So in this case, you can pause here and write the answer on your notebook. What is the answer for this case? TP, F1, FP and TN. You can discuss the answer. Actually, the answer is 1, but your model is predicted as 1. That is called true positive. In this example, how many true positives are there? You have 6 true positives are there. For 1 0 false negative, it is 2. And for 0 1, it is 1. And for 0 0, you have 3 cases 1, 2, and 3. So true negative is 3. So this confusion matrix is also useful in multi-class classification. If a person is happy, actually he is happy, but the model prediction is also happy, you will get have 1 here. And if you are happy, and if you are sad means you will get 1 here. And you are happy, but model prediction is angry means your data will come over here. Same way, different cases like surprise prediction, surprise, disgust and neutral, all those parameters you can do. And what is meant by accuracy? Accuracy is given by the number of correctly classified examples divided by the total number of classified examples. Namely, accuracy which is equal to true positive plus true negative whole divided by TP plus TN plus FP plus FN. You call it as accuracy. For in this case, I want you people to calculate the accuracy answer and type your answer in the comment box below. What is the accuracy for this particular example? Spam and ham mail. Fine. Precision. Precision is the ratio of correct positive predictions to the overall number of positive predictions. Precision you can give it as TP, true positive, to the ratio of true positive plus false positive. In this case, this false positive should be reduced. So this is the most costliest one. If you need to reduce this, your precision will be good. Thank you. We'll meet you in another video.